In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove breathing sounds from your audio using Descript. Whether you're a podcaster, voiceover artist, or just someone looking to refine your audio recordings, eliminating those pesky breathing noises can lead to a much cleaner and more professional sound. So let's dive right into it and learn how to make that happen. First things first, you'll want to head over to Descript's website. This is your go-to platform for audio editing, gaining popularity for its simplicity and effectiveness. Once you're there, if you haven't yet, make sure you log into your account. Now, this is crucial because Descript offers its services to users with an account, ensuring you have access to all the fantastic features we'll explore today. If you don't have an account, it's a quick and straightforward process to set one up. After logging in, you'll be presented with your workspace. Here, you need to choose the account you wish to operate under. Simply select the right profile that you've used to access your Descript projects. Once you've chosen the appropriate account, your screen will fill with all your previous works and projects. Next, you'll want to find and click on the project you want to edit. This step involves opening the specific audio track where you'd like to remove the breathing sounds. With Descript, you have access to a range of editing tools to transform your audio, but today, we're focusing on one in particular. Now this is where the magic happens. Locate the Studio Sound option in the toolbar. Studio Sound is a remarkable feature in Descript designed to enhance audio quality by reducing background noise and improving its overall clarity. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. Studio Sound will then get to work automatically, analyzing your audio and intelligently detecting and removing any unwanted sounds, including those deep breaths that can disrupt the smooth flow of your content. Descript does all this with such precision that you'd barely need to lift a finger. It seamlessly cleans up your audio, allowing you to focus on other essential tasks in your project. And that's it. Your audio is now clear, with any distracting breaths and noises minimized to enhance your listener's experience. This feature is perfect for streamlining your editing process and ensuring your audio outputs sound crisp and polished. So there you have it, a simple way to remove breathing sounds using Descript. This tool is a game changer for content creators looking to improve their audio quality effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you create even better sounding content. Feel free to explore more of Descript's capabilities and take your audio projects to the next level. Until next time, happy editing.